Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been looking at the Supreme Modules Lite. Supreme Modules Lite is a free version of the premium plugin Divi Supreme Modules, which is one of my absolute favorites. And you get 20 or so free modules with this and 3 extensions. Today we're going to look at the Google Live Map module right here. And as you can see, this is a live Google map. You can zoom in, zoom out, get directions, whatever you need to do. So let's get started. I'm going to enable the Visual Builder. I'm going to put a link below the video. Just go to the Features page, and if you roll down to the bottom of the Features page, you'll find a free download button. That'll take you to here, where it tells you all about it, all the modules that you're going to get with it. Like I say, there's 20 of them and 3 premium and extensions as well, which are really useful. Just hit the download button and install it. We've covered installing with a previous video. I'll put that down below also. Okay, well, the Visual Builder is enabled. I'm going to go down and let's just delete this module right here. So I've got a row, the green tab. I'm just going to hit the Add New Module. Divi comes as standard with all these light grey modules, plenty enough to build just about any website. When you add Supreme Light, you get these 20 right here. And there's some great ones there. And there's a few more from the Divi theme down below. I want the Google map today. So Supreme Embed a Google map. And it puts a generic location in there. Somewhere in San Francisco. So put whatever you want address wise in here. Let's put the White House in. There we go. And as you can see, it's popped up straight away. I've only got one column in this row, so it's taking up the whole area of that single column there. And the good thing about this, if you want to, you can make your map sort of look like an oldie worldy map by using some of the filters. You can bring the saturation up, make it look crazy colors, change the hue if you want to. And one thing I like, it's got a sepia effect, so you can make it look like an oldie worldy map if you want to by adding some sepia. And of course, if you wanted to, you can make it black and white by taking the saturation all the way down. That's pretty much all there is to it. If you wanted to make it full width, we can make our row full width by simply going to the row, the green tab. We'll go over to our design, sizing. I'm going to pull the width up to 100%. I'm going to copy that 100%, Control C, and paste it in the max width below, or you can just type it in if you prefer. And now we've got a full width Google map. And if you wanted to make it larger, so if we save this and if we want to make it deeper, we can go into our actual module, go over to design, sizing, and we can give it a minimum height. Make it whatever your height you want. So that's a really useful feature to have on your site, especially if you want people to know where you are and have it on your contact page or something like that. So let's save our changes, check it out on the front end, save the page changes, and exit the Visual Builder. Roll on down, and there's our full width live Google map. Zoom in, zoom out to your heart's content. And of course there's a zoom setting in there. I think I might have skipped over that you can use to zoom it in so it's where you want it when people look at it initially. So I hope you've enjoyed this today and found it useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.